Olalaje mi Ashake.
Unakasungbalaja no dey waste time, oh nah. Me I want fire bazooka, oh nah. Mr. Money no dey waste time, Mr. Money want to ease your mind. Say baby don't find no dey too shine, unaka. Show why me ni. Mr. Money no dey waste time, Mr. Money want to ease your mind. Hello, you carry back a lot of filo. I'ma check a phone, no go dey ghost you. Ready to pay what 10 kilo. Kumatingaza, Shina Sayon Falapa, Agata from Osapa, Funibulala, Nishe Lojapa, Omo Ajabota, Lubi Migapa. I don't like nonsense, we are Kubota. I don't like nonsense, we are Kubota, Bota. Nishe Lojapa, Omo Ajabota, Lubi Migapa. I don't like nonsense, we are Kubota. I don't like nonsense, we are Kubota, Bota. Sunga la ja sunga la ja sunga olo sunga la ja sunga olo sunga
Mr. Money with the vibe right now. Mr. Money with the vibe right now. Mr. Money with the vibe right now. Mr. Money with the vibe right now.
Tell me what you see when you look at me. Sungbalaja go my body. My problem is I too sabi o. Pop monthly for the pool party o. Agata o ya dakbata. So you dey wine me, you know see Uber o ya gbokada. Shop anka, you go shop gada. Ele Sungbalaja Sungba. Carry your matter for head like Oshuka. VVS is on my neck, zero fuka. You dey puka, see give me shuka. Cause you know you carry, you give me super. Ele Sunga. Oya ti mo bata biti konga.
Hello, you carry back a lot of filo. I'ma check a phone, no go dey ghost you. Edu to gbe what 10 kilo. Kumatingaza, Shina Sayon Falapa, Agata from Osapa, Funibulala, Nishe Lojapa, Omo Ajabota, Lubi Migapa. I don't like nonsense, we are Kubota. I don't like nonsense, we are Kubota, Bota. Nishe Lojapa, Omo Ajabota, Lubi Migapa. I don't like nonsense, we are Kubota. I don't like nonsense, we are Kubota, Bota. Sunga la ja sunga la ja sunga olo sunga la ja sunga olo sunga.
Give me shuka, cause you know you carry, you give me super. Ele sunga. Oya ti mo bota biti konga. Oluwa bona.
Let me see you. Oh, lo. Let me see you. Oh, lo. Buka. Let me see you. De buka. Oh, lo. Let me see you. Oh, lo. Buka. Let me see you. De buka. Oh, lo. Let me see you. Oh, lo. Buka. Let me see you. De buka. Oh, lo. Let me see you. Oh, lo.
Father in heaven, I just want to thank you for today. Lord, I bless you and I glorify you. Father, I thank you for this gathering here tonight. It's scheduled to take place here tonight. Present here physically, and I pray, oh God, that you would bless them abundantly. They've left their homes to come here tonight and see the works of art. Lord, I pray, oh God, that they will not be disappointed. And I pray, God, that this will be a lesson and a blessing to each and every one of us that are here today. We thank you for the producer and for the entire cast that had worked so hard to put this together. The cast and the crew. Bless them, God. They're going out and they're coming in. And as we sit today, everything we do, Let it glorify your name in heaven. In the mighty name of Jesus Christ, we pray. Amen. God bless you.
Very, very, very much. We know that He will set this place on fire and that you all will be excited with this film. So I also want to remind you supporting education for children who are less fortunate than we are here in the States. In particular, she's supporting children in Sierra Leone to prepare them and get them ready for back to school. So she has t-shirts that are included in the VIP section. However, for those who are not in the VIP, we're kindly asking that you promote and buy these t-shirts that are for $20. Again, the proceeds will be going towards supporting children who are in this midst. So thank you very much, okay? All right, now everybody take a look at yourselves. I just want you to look at your partner to your right and to your left. Look at your partner to behind you and before you. And just smile and say thank you for being here. And encourage one another and say, I know you look good. Because presentations tonight in terms of outfits and bar. Tonight we know this is a red carpet event and we thank you once more for being here. So as you all are looking stunning and beautiful, we just ask that you please keep this momentum and this energy up as we are ready to move on, okay? All right, so also I'm going to find out who else is in the house. I want to know if you're coming from DC. Can you raise your hand? Let me see if anybody here from DC. Okay, nobody here from DC. How about Maryland? This state, are you here? You can raise your hands or clap for yourselves. Clap for yourselves. You look too good. Maryland in the house. How about anybody coming from Virginia? Hey, 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 Virginia, where you at? Just the two of y'all? And he's the only loud one? Okay. So as we circumference this DMV, anybody else from out of state? Let's say East Coast. Anybody else represent any other state in the East Coast? No, we drive tonight, it seems. How about the South? Anybody here from Texas, Florida, Arkansas? No? How about the West? No? You coming? Oh, okay. They coming. I like that, I like that. I know earlier tonight I had the privilege to meet someone who's international. I won't call her out, but I'm very excited to know that she's here. We have international artists. Anybody else representing any other country? Apart from Miss Canada? Hey! Canada, you did. Oh, yeah. Yes, I see your hand. Where are you from, sir? Cameroon. Hey, come here. What side you did? Stand up. And you all know our resident artist and creator and producer extraordinaire, Miss Awanatu. Most of us who are here from Sierra Leone. Can I see Salon stand up? I know we also have Naija in the house. What side you did? Naija know they carry last. Where you did? Any other nationality? Who is here resident to United States of America? H-U-N. Oh, please try to clap for our brother here. Thank you. Anyone else? How could I forget? Well, I'm going to say it again, sis, because you said
Liberian.
L-I-B, stand up. L-I-B, stand up. And Simunade. Oh, yeah. Do I have Jamaica in the house? Anybody who represent the Caribbean here? Yes, one now. Let me see your hand, little cutie. Okay, next time the DJ plays music, you're going to come dance on stage because I saw you dancing in the corner. If Mom allows. She's ready. She ready. All right, good. So is there anyone else that I may not have left out? I don't want to leave anybody. I want to make sure I represent everybody. Hey, Atiseo. Hey, yeah. Good. Ghana's in the house. I'm excited. Do we have anybody from South Africa or East Africa here in the house? Woo! I like that. Okay, what's your your song. Tell me the song you want to hear tonight, Mr. Kenyon. I threw you off, eh? And you don't want the city I lost? I know that's. You good with that one? Okay, but I know that's not Kenya, that's Uganda. So I got you. Any other countries here tonight? Want to make sure we show love and spread love to everyone. Okay, so we're good. So I'll move forward, okay? All right, don't mind my phone. I have paper and I was told I'm too old using paper to do this program. So I'll move forward. So we have also amongst us some very distinguished guests in the house. We have some philanthropists, we have some benefactors of those who are in need. And I would like to take the privilege to present to you a powerhouse figure, a woman who is fearless, a mover and a shaker, with a mission to bring progress and change to Mama Salon. Her humanitarian work as a journalist garnered recognition from All Africa 2011 as, and quote, ace and senior reporter of the Concord Times newspaper, where she is well known for her credible investigative stories, which gave her recognition throughout the country. With that success to her name, she didn't stop there. She sought even greater achievements, and after 8 years of successive service to the Concord Times, she resigned in pursuit of furthering her studies here in the US. So that was in 2011. Fast forward to last year, in February of 2021, our special guest of honor, through her generous contribution, was able to donate continuous street lights to the Ginger Hall community in the east of Freetown. Now can we clap it up for that? Because we know coming from Africa, oftentimes it's not easy. There's not stable light in any country, in certain regions. So for her to do that, to illuminate the streets in the name of safety, is something that is honored, and we really celebrate her in that manner. So, in Leap of Faith, her hard work and her philanthropic mission, she's changed her story from ace reporter to benefactor of the betterment of the youth of Salon, excuse me. In her own words, she is proud to give back to her community at all times, as the Lord blesses her. And she says, I am ready to give back to my community by working with you to identify the immediate community needs, to enable me to provide the necessary resources within my earnings to get things done. And I want you all to see there's a parallelism there between what our distinguished guest is performing tonight, or who are coming to speak tonight together with Lady Natu, where they choose to take the risk, put on productions like this, go out there as females, in a male-dominated society most times, and succeed, and still have the means to look back and say, I want to do something good for the community. So as we are here tonight, we honor our special guest of honor. Ladies and gentlemen, would I please have you have a round of applause for Sierra Leone's Diaspora Affairs Coordinator for the Embassy of Sierra Leone, United States of America, Madam Rachel Mojama Horner. Can we clap a little warmer for her, please, for the work that she's done? I know some of us are even struggling to send $200, but we found them in Africa, and look at what she's doing. Thank you, darling. If you feel comfortable to stand on the stage, you're also. Yeah. Okay, good. Thank you.
Good evening, everybody. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, in the midst of all that is happening in the world, I'm deeply and profoundly happy to join you tonight for this movie, Foster Parents premiere. I'm told that the movie is written and produced by Sierra Leonean, but the cast is like a mini United Nations. This is what the world needs right now. When we come together, devoid of nationality, ethnicity, race, color, or creed, or even political persuasion, we succeed and we do, and when we do, it is a win for humanity. Ladies and gentlemen, I am happy to be associated with the premiere of this movie tonight for more than one reason. The moral lessons we will take from watching the movie tonight are vital. Secondly, the opportunity that the movie creates to showcase the talent and the continent has to offer, even when we are in the diaspora. And in my opinion, this movie solidified our reasoning of togetherness. In addition, my uncle David Vandy is here, and most of you can attest to the fact that I am part of the entertainment industry in Sierra Leone because of my dad. During the Rebel War, when everything was torn down, if you watch SABC TV, you will see my dad in acting as a woman. You all know Rosalie. That is my dad. Yes. So I'm part of all what you are doing. I'm part of the entertainment industry. And even me, I know how to act so well. Yes. So in me, members of the movie and generally the entertainment, it's not only you, we all allied together. Let us learn to support each other. Sierra Leone needs us. The diaspora needs us. And indeed, the continent of Africa can benefit a lot if we can give a hand to lift up each other. The movie industry is a platform to showcase our rich cultural heritage, and it also provides the stage to tell our stories, the African way without flitters. So, do not underestimate your laudable efforts to put the continent on the map. Tonight is not a night for a long speeches. It is an opportunity to appreciate our creativity, to your artistic skills, and more importantly, for us to support this dream of buying and promoting the movie First Appearance. On my part, I will use my platform to get the word out. This is a must-watch movie, and I will ensure that I buy copies. On that note, I declare the movie launch. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, Madam Horner. We appreciate your presence here, and we thank you for that address that you've given to this audience. I'd like to call on Mr. Vandy once more to please introduce another distinguished guest that's in the house.
Thank you very much. So ladies and gentlemen, you know, we're here to watch this movie, but you know, we have some other distinguished personalities that normally people don't talk about, but we want you to meet them. First of all, I want to start off with one of Sierra Leone's top actors, who is a writer, a producer, a director. And he has won a lot of awards. And he's here tonight to support this movie, and that is writer, actor, director Adeyemi Ladna, popularly known as Iron Master. Adeyemi, can you just stand up and wave to the people? Ladies and gentlemen, that is one of Sierra Leone's top stars in the house. And ladies and gentlemen, we have another multi-talented actor in the house, producer. You know, she has been in the business for a very long time. She has toiled, she has won, she has cried, she has laughed. But I tell you, she has never given up. And that is our own Jaynab Cissé. Jaynab, come on, can you just leave the phone, Jaynab? One of our top actors, ladies and gentlemen, Jaynab in the building. Thank you, Jaynab. And ladies and gentlemen, she flew in all the way from London. London was too cold for her. And she decided to come to the United States of America through Canada, but she decided to be based here in Maryland. And you know, her first movie, she was spotted by Mr. Adeyemi Ladna, and now she's so well versed into the business of acting. Her first movie was The Princess. How many of you have seen The Princess? Okay, I know, very few. But I tell you, go back and look for that movie, The Princess by Adeyemi Ladna. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to introduce to you another Sierra Leonean actor. That is Madam Mimi Cissé. Mimi, can you just stand up, please? She's right there at the back. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for her. That is Mimi. Thank you. And ladies and gentlemen, you see, Africa, we think that things are not going right most time. But I tell you, when we start giving the recognition that our own deserves, then the world is going to see them. When your own start telling you about how good you are, then your own. You see, back home we used to say, if us not sell you, it's not go buy you. Right? We use that for gossip. Huh? But I have turned it around. I'm still using the same phrase, that if us not sell you because of the good work that you do, if we don't talk about the good works that we do, the street will not know about us. People will not know. So when we are good, when your person is good, let us show them that we love them and how good they are. And that's why I want to introduce this man that has been fighting so hard. He's a musician, he's an actor, he's an activist, he's a philanthropist, he helped the kids back home. Everything he does. And tonight he's here, and that is Cool J. Cool J, ladies and gentlemen, one of Syria's top rappers. Cool J in the building. Thank you very much. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, I want to move across to Monrovia, Liberia, where we have one lady that took upon herself to say the fashion of Africa must spread across the globe. Hello? Hello? Do you believe that? Yes. That an African is taking Africa by storm to say the fashion, our fashion from Africa, should walk the stage across the world. And she has not gotten tired. She started with one, Runway Liberia, and then she started moving to Runway Sierra Leone, Runway Ghana, Runway Nigeria, and today she's running way here in foster parent. So tonight we have Runway foster parent. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome Jonda Morris, my dear friend from Liberia. She's a fighter. She is a fighter, I'm telling you. I work with the Voice of America in Washington DC. I'm a journalist. I'm a broadcast journalist. And she found me. I did not find her. She found me. Because she says, if you are there, then it means Africa is represented at the Voice of America. Amen. Amen. And so, ladies and gentlemen, am I missing any other actor in the building? Oh, Will Hogg. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, our brother from another mother, Will Hogg. This guy is a complete African in an American skin. Thank you very much. Will lives all the way in Baltimore, but he's always down here to perform in every movie that he's been called. And is Opal in the building? We have a lady from Jamaica. Where is Opal? Maybe she's out, but she's part of this movie tonight. All right, so ladies and gentlemen, thank you all very much, and we're moving up. And so the only person I'd like you to meet right now is the cultural attaché from the Embassy of Sierra Leone, and that is Mr. Fofana. Ladies and gentlemen, is the cultural attaché. He's here with the diaspora coordinator, and so they're going to look at this movie and see how good we are doing. Thank you very much, Mr. Fofana, for being here tonight. And so with that, let me hand you back your microphone.
You can hold on to it for now.
Really?
Yes. We would like to invite Mr. Fofana to come up and say a few words, please, in your presence. We want to honor you and thank you for being our cultural
attaché.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Good evening, everybody. Like Mr. Vandy said, my name is Ibrahim Labo Fofana. I am the cultural attaché to the Sierra Leone Embassy here in Washington, D.C. I'm not sure if this event is really a cultural one, but what I'm certain about is that tonight, whatever this movie is about, we are sure to see some cultural display. And for that purpose, I want to thank the producer, the cast, and all of you who are here tonight. Let's sit tight and then let's watch what we'll see. I'm sure we'll see culture at play. Thank you very much.
Thank you. And as he said, we're going to see culture on display. Culture on display. When I say, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Culture on display. Oh yeah. Culture on display. Oh yeah. Culture on display. Oh yeah. I'm not weak. Culture on display to my right. Oh yeah. Thank you. One more time. Culture on display. Oh yeah. All right. So DJ, I want to honor DJ H2O. Will I please give him love? DJ Cole Wata, don't call Wata, we take go. Thank you very much, sir. So we're going to call forward our first artist. He is Sierra Leone's finest. Please, he's the first performer, so when I pick out, please give him the love he deserves. Mr. BioFresh. Mr. BioFresh. Okay, Mr. BioFresh. We need fresh right now. We'll come back and recycle. Mr. BioFresh. Okay, so we'll move forward. And when he comes, we'll just pick him up when he shows. Our next performer on the lineup to perform tonight is none other than Mr. Bo Arcade. Mr. Bo Arcade, are you in the house to show us your cultural display? Don't forget to, when I call and answer, cultural display. Oh yeah. We can't be sleeping. It's only what, 11 o'clock? Are you working tonight?
Yes.
Hello.
Me who work night shift, I'm bright-eyed. So please, will not join me. So once more, I'm calling for our first artist, Mr. BioFresh, if you're in the house. If not, we move on to Mr. Bo Arcade, who's here. Want to make sure our artists get what they deserve. For a moment, you all, excuse me, let me step out, talk with our cultural talent, find out where we at. Okay.
If you want my love every day, tell me when you got for day. I go hustle every day to impress my woman. She no go follow every man because she no like her. Me let you like my woman, so I go take her. We got the love in the air, you're the only one we have to die for. The love in the air, you be the only one I've to die for. I never treat you no way, I swear never, no. I never treat you no way, I swear never, no. Anything you want, I go buy. Anything you want, I go buy. Just tell me what you need. Anything you want, I go buy. Just the way you look at me, girl, you let me go. Just the way you look at me, girl, you let me go. Like the way you look at me, girl, you let me go. Toi et moi pour la vie, pour sur le pays, séparés. L'île de l'Oignon, tout au taille de nos vies séparées. About the love, baby, I'm the hood. Que seul qu'à la famille, on dit, les amis, on se parle. Mon bébé, je t'adore. Mon amour, je t'adore. Mon bébé, je t'adore. Mon amour, je t'adore. Anything you want, I go buy. Anything you want, I go buy. Just tell me what you need. Just the way you look at me, girl, you let me go. Just the way you look at me, girl, you let me go. Like the way you look at me, girl, you let me go. Just the way you look at me. wind that thing so tenderly, baby. Put it down on me so tenderly, baby. Say you ride my team so tenderly, baby. Oh, tenderly, baby. I like the way you wind that thing so tenderly, baby. Put it down on me so tenderly, baby. Say you ride my team so tenderly, baby. Salary, I go give you salary. If you put up money, I go give you somebody. To my place, we go down to Sawali. If you drop the thing on me, I go sing on you. But there is the line, when I start in my life, but I come in your life. See the book I saw when you swing with my rise. But there is the line, when I start in my life, but I come in your life. See the book I saw when you swing with my rise. Tenderly, baby. I like the way you wind that thing so tenderly, baby. Put it down on me so tenderly, baby. Stay behind my teeth, tenderly, baby. Oh, tenderly, baby. I like the way you wind that thing so tenderly, baby. Put it down on me so tenderly, baby. Say you ride my teeth, tenderly, baby. There is nothing, 'cause I know you up to something. Baby, you're fighting. Tell me that you love me.
Thank you so much.
Give it up, 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 give it up. For our boy, okay. He set this place on fire, not so. I came to the back row, una there. Thank you so much. Excuse me one moment. So our next guest artist to perform. Let me pull back my program so I do this correct. Our next guest artist, who is in the house, is Pardon C. Pardon C, what's up you day? Multiple award-winning Niger Afrobeats. Pardon C. Perform, what's up you day? We don't call the name 310. Pardon C. Pardon C, make sure. Hey.
Wait till the album now. Hold on. Make some noise if you love African music. I wanna do it now. Wait till the mic chill small. I know that. Baby, cause an emergency, hey, she gonna be my emergency, hey, emergency. On the urgency, I want to dance with my baby, come on for road, let me dance here. Ngozi Kasisi Eko, she did a Ferrari, a second car Maserati, she want me Bugatti, but I'm feeling chill so, I'm on the Chabiano so, if we go no kuna Bugatti, baby confirm, she confirm. She correct, I wanna connect, yeah. DJ, let's go. DJ. Stop, let's go. DJ.
Emergency, she gonna be my emergency. Emergency, all the urgency. Baby, cause an emergency, she gonna be my emergency. Emergency, all the urgency. I want to dance with my baby, come on for road. I want to dance with my baby, come on for road. Ngozi Kasisi Eko, she made a Ferrari, a second car Maserati. She want me Bugatti, but I'm feeling chill on so good. All the Italian so if you put a Bugatti, baby confirm, she correct, I wanna connect, baby connect, I feel okay, they call on Matala, and Salova, sister chill so she correct, she be baby, cause an emergency, she gonna be my emergency, emergency, all the urgency, baby, cause an emergency, she gonna be my emergency, emergency, all the urgency, I want to dance to my baby, come on for road, I want to dance to my baby, come on for road. That's all you do when you bring your low. If I go low, let me see you go low. I wanna see you go. She telling me say my song is sweet, it be like currency. Everybody go use it, girl. All I'm making, this are the tail, this are the tail, this are the tail, put on repeat. This are the tail, this are the tail, this are the tail, put on repeat. Say you get all on, Matala, tail, and Salova, sister, she knows, so she correct you. She be here on the way. Baby, cause an emergency, she gonna be my emergency. Emergency, all the urgency. Baby, cause an emergency, she gonna be my emergency. Emergency, all the urgency. I want fuck with this music, let me see you make some noise. Yeah, you don't tell me. I want to give you something for my boy, Remy J, where you at? Remy J. Come on. Yeah. Okay. Remy J, I don't see that.
Our movie premiere, so please, you guys got to give it up. He's a fellow actor, musician extraordinaire, patronizer, and he's here to hype this crowd before we premiere this movie. So when I please give it up for my boy, Cool J.
Mic check. Alright, thank you guys very much, thank you. Big up to all my Sierra Leoneans, I want to make some noise. Because honestly, I'm here to represent my country. I love all what the Nigerian guys did, but I'm here to represent Sierra Leone. But if you're from anywhere else, part of Africa, Nigeria, Ghana, South Africa, make some noise for yourself, please. Alright guys, first of all, I'm going to perform one song. But before I perform, I just want to give you guys just 1 minute of Natsu. I'm like the first person that saw Natsu like years ago. So I saw Natsu and I was doing a movie called Beauty of a Woman. So I was looking, like I was saying, who am I going to put in this movie? You know, I had a lot of people because I produce movie and I act movie as well. So I reached out to Natsu. I said, Natsu, I have a movie. I want you to be there. Believe you me, Natsu was there like the right there. I'm like, how did you get here? That's how dedicated Natsu is, right? So when Natsu got there, she saw a lot of other girls, you know, but Natsu was so confident, right? So I give, like, when I'm seeing this is just like, I'm speechless because I play a part of this. And that's why I'm so much like, and I'm encouraging everybody, the Adea Milan, the princess, you know, we give people in our back. We need to give them chance and opportunity. Because if I never looked at Natsu and I shut Natsu away, maybe we're not going to be here today. So please, we need to give each other a chance. No matter how you look, no matter how you date, but we need to give each other a chance. And Dexter Brains, big up to you. I was shooting a movie with Dexter. He said, Cool J, who is this one person you can give me right now? I need her. He was shooting one of his best movies that I was on. Again, I said that I was wrong. But he was shooting this movie, and I said, oh, let's call Natsu. When Dexter called Natsu, Natsu came right along and she played the movie well. Their relationship continued. So I am so proud to be a part of Natsu. And I just had a show yesterday. I drove all the way from Fredericksburg. I said, I can't miss today. I want to see the success myself. Natsu, I am so proud of you, man. You just don't understand. You know, so the song I'm about to perform is just special for Natsu because you know why? People put Natsu down a lot. People take care of Natsu. People put her down. They say she's not going to do it and she did it. So, almost all the people, if you start this song, I want you to sing it with me, alright? All the want them, we talk say we know. And they more curry from where we. But they laugh we because of we guys. Don't forget say, but Salman no fine for. 1, 2, 3, sing, prove them. Hey, make me prove them. We already know we're gonna prove them wrong. DJ, let's go.
I love you, Daddy.
Hey, Cool J. I say, you know, say, what's up? Say, what's on my mind? What's up? Say, what's on my mind? I say, only one day, we talk say we not go back say, and they will grow you from where we get say, when they laugh we. Because of you guys in the bed. Don't forget me, but I'm not a fine for the girl. Hey, prove it wrong. Hey, make me prove it wrong. And that not the reason make I sing this song. Alright, listen.
DJ, prove them wrong. We all don't prove them wrong. Am I right or wrong? They doubted us. They thought we're not going to be here today. So 1, 2, 3, I want to all say prove them wrong. Everybody, Nigerians, so 1, 2, 3. Prove them wrong. 1, 2, 3. Mr. DJ, let's go.
I love you, Daddy.
Hey, what's up?
I say, ain't no shame. I say, what's on my mind? Hey, what's on my mind? We talk say we don't go better. Then we get no call you from where we get say. And when they laugh me because of you guys in the bed. Don't forget say, what's a man of fight for? 1, 2, 3, sing it. nightmare. I'll keep us out in the snow. No place to go, no hope, nobody to run to. Strive for success and never look low. Ain't moved on, you can see it in my eyes. I thank the Lord that I still rise. They expect me to give up, I almost did. They don't play my dream like a newborn kid. Anything you do, they go more stop. Whether that good or bad, they go more stop. Put your rap battle was a success with a walk you walk. I'm here to inspire. Give back to the people out there that I admire. Not God that gives, so keep the faith. If you think it's strange, don't give up, don't say things can change. Only one day, with us where we know we're better. Hey, and they will glory from where we left it. Hey, and they like me because of you guys and better. I said, don't forget me, but I'll man of fight for the king. Not to be singer, prove them wrong. Hey, make we prove them wrong. So let go, I got that reason, make us sing this song. Let's prove them wrong. Make we prove them wrong. I got that reason, make us sing this song.
One time. Well, thank you. And we got a big one now, around the room. Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Now we got a big one there. Now we got a big one there. I appreciate you now. Now we they represent now. Well, I want to be proud of you. That's what we do. We need your support. Let me not lie. If I ever produce this music now on the own, but if we're not inside, it'll be bigger than that. One Nigerian man tell me this. I'm not going to forget that. He said, Cool J, if this song was Nigeria, you would be gone. That's what he told me. But I said, no, I'm proud because this song is from Sierra Leone. So please, remember this name. Salem Cool J on all social media platforms. You guys reached out and helped us. We need it. Thank you guys very much. Thank you.
I need to introduce this correct. As you heard, Jay gave his respectful props to Sister Lady, Madame of the Night, Awanatu Koroma. This is an effort of all her life, her hard work, her hours that she put in, her blood, her sweat, her tears. This is years in the making. As he said, he knew her early in her career, and now look at her now. Yes. So please, without further ado, I will step out of this microphone section. I'll step out of this view. I want when I enjoy when I say, I don't go. So don't enjoy, eat, chop, enjoy life. Thank you.
Can we move the flower?
Be anywhere, but you're here to support the entire team. I am forever grateful. Thank you very much. I just want to share something very quick. So I left Sierra Leone at the age of 12, right after the war with my mom and my two sisters. So we went to Senegal for our visa. After our visa, we came to America. But before we came to America, while we went to Sierra Leone, things were very hard and things were very difficult for us. My mom, she was a single parent, trying to do as much as she can for her 3 girls. So I remember there was a time when I used to have one halfback called Slippers. So one Slippers, and that was the only shoes that I had. So if it cuts, then I would go to the shoemaker to sew it, and I'll continue to wear it. If it cuts it, then same thing. So I remember there was a point in time my mom didn't have money to give the shoemaker. So I mean, she was like good customer to her. She always come to show, and she always refer people to go to him. So she was one of her good customers. So I remember there was a point in time where like she didn't have money to give him. So whenever she cooked, she would give me to take to him just to say thank you for doing, showing our shoes and stuff like that. And I also remember there was a point in time when my dad gave somebody money to give to my mom to pay for my school fees. My mom never received the money. So like at that point in time, I didn't go to school for like a year. I was home. So my mom was trying to like figure a way how for me to go to school. So she used to sell like rice. So those ladies that have kukui are like people who have like little restaurants. So in Sierra Leone we call it kukui, like they have little bafa, they sell, she goes and sell raw rice. So then they were able to cook while they cook their stew and stuff for their customer. So my mom did a lot for us, and there was a lot of struggle up and down. She tried to make sure that there's food on the table. Sometimes people make fun of me. Naturally, the only thing you eat is rice. The reason why the only thing is rice that I know, because when we are back home, they cook rice, they cook two different soup or stew. I mean, that's what she got, that's what she is. So that's why I'm so like, if I go a day I don't eat rice, like I'm not happy. I have to eat my rice because I'm so used to it, because that's what I grew up with. Because back home we didn't have a lot of choices to eat salami or to eat steak or to eat chicken. And then even chicken, we only eat chicken during holidays. And even during holidays, like if you're a child, you'll be lucky to even get a leg. So things were really, really hard when we were back home. Things were not easy for us at all. My mom did try and did her best, but we give glory to God for us to come here. My grandmother brought us here, so I thank God for that. God will bless her for all the things that she have done for us and my mom and my sister. But one thing that I said to myself was that if God opened doors for me, I'm definitely going to go back to my roots and try to make a difference, So as I enter into the industry, God has opened so many doors for me, and I'm forever grateful. So I don't know how to thank God for everything He has done for me. So I just want to use this opportunity, to give back, to help, and to do the much that I can. So I partner up with this young guy called Prosper. He organized the Young Talent Charity back home. So those are like little children who don't go to school, don't have parents, or live with their grandmother, or live in the streets. So we're trying to help them as much as I can. So whenever, like last year, I sent a barrel full of food, school supplies. Of course, my mom helped me with that, and a couple of my friends, my family came and helped me to put everything together. My friend Angela. So I sent it back home, and then I tried to get money there and there. We all know how things are even difficult now. So, and things are also difficult back home. So I know like school is about to open, and things are getting hard and difficult every single day, and kids are getting less interest in school. So me and Prosper come up with this spelling bee competition, where like kids will come, they put down some spellings words for them to compete against each other. So whoever win, we get a prize, just to encourage them, and they're going to play music, they're going to have fun, and just to entertain them, to let them know that education is not boring. Education can be in different ways, and you can make it so many ways for it to be interesting. So that way we just trying to make the kids to know that education is the key, So I try to help as much as I can to get some that I can to get off the streets, and some to help to pay for their school fees, some to give them food, some don't have food in their house, some to just help them, So At this point, I'm just asking for a little donation for anyone who wants to help donate. Anything, and even $1, it's something. You know, even $1, it's something. If you want to Zelle me, it's 240-370-7331, or if you want to Cash App, it's 240-437-2111. That's 240-437-2111. Or you can, at the front, there'll be a box when you check in for the tickets. There'll be a box there. If you want to drop anything there for the kids, that would be really, really grateful. So all that money that you guys will be giving, it will be sent directly back home for the kids to get them ready for school for September by the grace of God. So I just want to say thank you guys so much and have a good time. I hope you guys will enjoy the movie and have a wonderful night. I'm sure it's going to be a great event because you're good and the entire team. Thank you.
Before you all go, I just want us to please take a moment to recognize the talented cast, as well as the producer and director of this film. So please, if you can indulge us a few more minutes of your precious time here, that we can just celebrate and congratulate the talent. So please, can I have a round of all the cast members to come on stage, please? Everybody, let's clap for them really as they come up stage. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Please come forward.
I want to take a little bit of look at happy to see all you.
As our cast comes up. Thank you. So as I come across the stage, I'll just ask each actor to state their name and their role. Okay, and let's show them the love that they deserve.
Well heard. Franklin Doji.
Good friend with my friend.
Franklin Doji Mosu. I know the name of that.
Oh my God.
Warren. SET. Jasmine. Jasmine.
Thank you. To our wonderful.
Where's Natu? She's hiding. Mommy, go Natu, go now.
Hey, how we doing tonight? Everybody good?
Yeah.
Hey, my name is Dexter Brains. I am the director of the... Thank you.
Hi everybody.
Hi.
My name is Romanik, so I was the sound guy.
Hey, my name is Cesar. I was the nurse of the movie.
So can we say culture display day? Culture display day? Thank you guys. And none of this could have been possible without the hard work, the talent. We thank you, Madam Hawanatu, for your super eye in recruiting these type of people. You all are international stars. Look at the representation here from multiple nationalities. Let me step away from here. And we thank you for your first-class eyes for talent. And we know that you have done a marvelous job with directing and producing and being a creative writer of this film. So without further ado, with all due respect To this wonderful woman who tirelessly worked this floor to decorate this hall, to make this production possible. Despite any challenges, she overcame, and she still overcome me. Madam Hawanatu Oroma, please grace us on the stage.
Hello? Okay. Thank you guys so much. First of all, I want to apologize for the timing. I know people have work to do and have work tomorrow, so I just want to say thank you, and I hope you guys enjoyed the movie. Did you guys love the movie? I just want to thank each and one of you here tonight. I really appreciate all the effort from my friends and family. You guys just being here tonight just prove that I'm doing something good, and I'm proving myself better and better. So thank you guys very, very much from the bottom of my heart. And I want to thank my cast member, Dexter, he's my day one. We fight and we get up, but he's always there. Jazzy, thank you. Mama Bola, AKA. Obam, you're my girl. Thank you so much. Mr. Zuluman, thank you. Will, thank you so much for everything. Romanik, thank you. Caesar, thank you guys so much. Romanik, you did amazing. Without this guy, this movie won't be possible because the sound is the most important thing in the movie. So guys, please help me thank this guy. Help me thank Dexter because this man put a lot of work. And I want to thank my mom, my sister, my fiance. I just want to thank everyone in this room because you guys, without you all, I won't be standing up here. I want to thank my auntie, my cousin, Auntie Ami. Thank you for coming. Christina, Angela, everyone. My sister FAO, she even surprised me. She told me she was not going to come. And she made it. So I'm really happy that she's here. So thank you to everyone. I really, really do appreciate you. Miss Rachel, thank you so much for being here tonight. I really do appreciate it. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much. Please drive safe and have a good night. Thank you.
I just want to thank God for His grace on the beat. Because He's been so good to me, man. Blessings coming from left, right, center. And I make the enemies and they want to, hey. I threw the shine, and then no one forever see me the shine. Other man won't see me suffer, then no man won't see me the prosper. But when I don't get on the side, and I knew they make the shine. These blessings all around me, He make me enemies, then they wonder, let me say this is not low, because the beat is very slow. Not everywhere that I go now, now me the one who will show. Let me feel say I don't wake up, but by His grace I said I don't wake up. For that be that no salon.
I don't get what to. I don't get what to. Me I get to gonna let go. Tell me that you can put up. I better go. Are you water? If me say that you can now, never give me money, my chasha. Tell me that you can put up. I better put up. I better put up. I better put up. I better put up. Wake up. Get up, go get the moolah. Wake up.
Feel the bass. Dirty trap.
You supposed to be jai. Kill up, come, become person, matter, person we don't mind. But when I land softly on the sofa floor. So far, so good. Koni bajo, let me see you. Oh, lo, lo, lo. Let me see you. Oh, lo, lo, lo. Bukao. Let me bukao. Let me see you, de buga. Oh, lo, lo, lo. Let me see you. Oh, lo, lo, lo. Bukao. Let me bukao. Let me see you, de buga. Oh, lo, lo, lo. Let me see you. Oh, lo, lo, lo. Bukao. Let me bukao. Let me see you, de buga. Oh, lo, lo, lo. Let me see you. Oh, lo, lo, lo. Bukao. Let me bukao. Let me on the land so free on a sofa floor. So far so good, Bonnie Bajo. Let me see you. Oh lo lo lo, let me see you. Oh lo lo lo, Bukao. Let me Bukao. Let me see you. Oh lo lo lo, let me see you. Oh lo lo lo, Bukao. Let me Bukao. Let me see you. Oh lo lo lo, let me see you. Oh lo lo lo, Bukao. Let me Bukao. Let me see you. Oh lo lo lo, let me see you. Oh lo lo lo, jala jala.
S for Sapa, C for caution,
E for problem.
back to sender. S for Sapa, C for caution,
E for problem.
back to sender.
Iwájú wo ló fi ẹlọ́jẹ̀? Iwájú wo yanjú ẹlọ́jẹ̀? Owó káṣọ ẹlọ́jẹ̀. Kọ́má kárí ẹlọ́jẹ̀. Iwájú wo bàbá ẹlọ́jẹ̀. Iwájú wo màmá ẹlọ́jẹ̀. Iwájú wo pásítọ̀ ẹlọ́jẹ̀. Iwájú wo àfà ẹlọ́jẹ̀. Ó yá sáré fún wọn lẹ́gbẹ̀gbẹ̀. Kéké tó wọlé gbé kẹ̀kẹ́. Táṣẹ́ gbowó wú gẹ̀gẹ̀. Ó máa sí rọrùn sí kẹ̀kẹ́. Ọmọ Kuala. Ebe Suala. Chinyere Ala. Chukwudi Ala.
S for Sapa, C for caution,
E for problem.
back to sender. S for Sapa, C for caution,
E for problem.
back to sender.
Iwájú wo ló fi ẹlọ́jẹ̀? Iwájú wo yanjú ẹlọ́jẹ̀? Owó káṣọ ẹlọ́jẹ̀. Kọ́má kárí ẹlọ́jẹ̀. Iwájú wo bàbá ẹlọ́jẹ̀. Iwájú wo màmá ẹlọ́jẹ̀. Iwájú wo pásítọ̀ ẹlọ́jẹ̀. Iwájú wo àfà ẹlọ́jẹ̀. Tọ́ba pa Twitter, máa lọ sáìjì. Tọ́ba àká ìjẹ́, máa lọ TikTok. You say dem ban Twitter, dey go IG. Then àká ìjẹ́, dey go TikTok.
S for Sapa, C for caution,
E for problem.
back to sender. S for Sapa, C for caution,
E for problem.
back to sender.
Iwájú wo ló fi ẹlọ́jẹ̀? Iwájú wo yanjú ẹlọ́jẹ̀? Owó káṣọ ẹlọ́jẹ̀. Kọ́má kárí
I'm gonna love me again. I'm coming back to baby. Son of Shabu Shabu. It's really quality just so. Money the ginger, ginger, ginger. Oh yeah, ginger, ginger. The money the ginger, ginger. Oh yeah, ginger. No get money yeah. Oh boy, I make a look. Zato sell. Oh to the sell. Vicky Ray. She na money the ginger. She na money the ginger. Don't they man get this over? Still popping on the low. She na money the ginger. She na money the ginger. Don't they man get this over? Still popping on the low. Oh yeah, no. If you get to be no. Oh yeah, no. Then go come around if you know. Oh yeah, no. If you get to be no. Oh yeah, no. Then go come around if you know. No. If you got money, show yourself. If you don't got money, hide your photo. I like me never. Bogo jawe money, oh. Johnny Masimo Jele, oh. I do music for living. Atu, Manja Kata for a Upako Atu. Ali go to school, but I just know my well at school. Super, but I have go. If I don't get money, where to be my girl? Oh, me come back, oh. I don't get the lie. She na money the ginger. She na money the ginger. Don't the man get this over? Still popping on the low. She na money the ginger.
Can the money be ginger? Don't the man get this over? Still popping on the low. Oh yeah, no, if you get to know. Oh yeah, no, then go come around if you know. Oh yeah, no, if you get to know. Oh yeah, no, then go come around if you know. Only day my mind, I still want to fight it. My love for fun, no one can fight it. But it's not the guys in my own, the guys in on down. Oh no, oh yeah, no, na money they ginger. Me I want you more. I give them woto. Make you know they wonder. Yeah, we they see this money yo, nothing they shake our body yo. That diamond day my body yo.
Madam, for this God enough feeding my holy father. I'm my Marco, I'm running back to you. I'm running track, so I'm running mad for you. Give me your map, I'm running back to you. Keep breaking my heart, till I run out of heart. I'm my Marco, I'm running back to you. I'm running track, so I'm running mad for you. Give me your map, I'm running back to you. Keep breaking my heart, till I run out of heart.
Colo mental, I can't face it all alone. This shit is detrimental to my body and my soul. Don't wanna lose all the things we once had. Fuck all my fronting, I still want you back. Can I have your number? Can I give you a call? We are not getting younger, so tonight let us try it on. Chew me up, spit me up, make me stand on my feet. I surrender to thee. Do what you want with me.
Holy Father, I'm screaming my Lady Gaga. She got me in my feelings. I'll be yada. For this God in the vision. Holy Father, Holy Father, Holy Father, Holy Father, I'm screaming my Lady Gaga. She got me in my feelings. I'll be yada. For this God in the vision. Holy Father.
If I dey play football, I go bench him Messi, bench him Neymar, bench Ronaldo. Timba fẹ́ pọ́n mọ́ mo máa gbé mi náà dò. No ṣẹpẹtẹ rí, no ṣàkúṣàkú. Àníṣe o, wọ́n lé wọ́n bá. Wọ́n wá wọ́n máa rí o. Wọ́n lé wọ́n bá. Wọ́n wá wọ́n máa rí o. Abẹ́rẹ́ máa lọ kọ́nà òkun tó di. Ó dojú àlàkà tó ríra wa. Abẹ́rẹ́ máa lọ kọ́nà òkun tó di òpópó. Ó dojú àlàkà tó ríra wa. Ẹ̀mí mímọ́ ti cover mi. Ẹni tí ó lè bọ̀dá mi. Máa lówó, máa ní mọ́tò. Ẹ̀mí mímọ́ ti cover mi. Ẹni tí ó lè bọ̀dá mi. Bí ti lówó, mo dẹ̀ ti ní mọ́tò. If I dey play football, I go bench Messi, bench Neymar, bench Ronaldo. Tí bá fẹ́ pọ́ mọ́, mo máa gbé mi náà dò. No ṣẹpẹtẹ rí o, no ṣàkúṣàkú o. Àníṣe o, wọ́n lé wọ́n bá. Wọ́n wá wọ́n máa rí o. Wọ́n lé wọ́n bá. Wọ́n wá